Alright, so today, actually you don't even know where I'm going to put this camera, and it's hot. Let me put you guys over here. Alright, I have you balanced on literally an ice scraper that I've never opened, because it's the only way. But look, I'll be back. I need to get the reversing camera, and I need to get the reversing camera. It's hot today, 25 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, 25 degrees, and this car is boiling. I haven't got aircon, but reversing camera is here. I'm going to attempt to fit it myself. Probably not a good idea because I literally don't know anything about cars, but what's the worst that can happen? Might need to call my dad in for assistance. Here it is, the mini reversing camera. It's not focusing, but there we go. There's a reversing camera. I don't even know how to do this, to be honest. I don't know how to where to even start. Maybe I should test and see if it works. Okay, this goes together. And this. I think there's meant to be 3 wires, but I've only got 2 and some screws. This goes in the back of here, but I don't know where it goes into. There's like there'll be a hole somewhere. This one goes in the back of here, like that, and then this. Pretty sure it just clips into here, and then it should work. So I'm gonna test it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna test it. Let me see. I was balancing you on there. But let's see if how this works. Honestly, hopefully I can test it just to see, but we'll find out. Low fuel. I've literally got 35 miles. I don't know how this works. Maybe it needs to be actually plugged in to work. Settings here. Let's see. Our rear camera. Is there a way for me to just test this? I think there is. These are the only instructions I got. I think it was meant to come with 3 wires though. Look, let me show you. Okay, here it's this one. You see here, it's got the 3 cables. Oh, 3 cables. Guys, I'm lost. I'm honestly lost. So maybe I'll just wait till my dad comes back and just get him to help me do it. Guys, found the cable. I found the cable. I must have dropped it. I must have dropped it down there. This is the cable I've been looking for. Oh my god, it's dirty down there. Anyway, this is the cable I was looking for. Cleanest screwdriver I can find. Gotta take these bolts out. Wish me luck. I'm trying it on my own while my dad works on the car in the background. Screw 1. I've got 1 out. Will this fall if I just undo it? Alright. Screw 2. What do I do now? Oh. 1 side. I did it. I got it off without breaking anything. This is what it looks like, and that's the door card. I managed to do it.
What you meant not to do is pull it.
I pulled it.
You broke your window now.
Nah, that's just a scratch in the tint.
That thing bolts on here now to do this.
How the hell do you do that? How do you get to them screws?
Yeah. Turn around.
I don't know, get me something that'll do it. Put the screws here so I don't lose them.
Yes guys, it's the crazy mechanic come to help Libby with this job.
Don't worry, I'll put your link in the description. Once that's off you can't shut it because it won't open again. I'm going to mount it. Oh, I can't remember where I said I was going to mount it. Well, I can stick it. I've got an adhesive pad.
No, that's pulled off.
Yeah, but they're not going to have to screw holes into this. We'll put the adhesive pad on and then screw afterwards, so it's got both.
It goes that way, doesn't it?
Yeah, and I'm going to put it like on this side here, like that. It fits perfectly between them gaps. Or I could put it on this side, but I'm thinking, can I put it there?
Yeah, a little way. You can cut a slot in there for the wire.
And then I've got this massive wire. These go into the headlights. How do you get this into the headlight? Okay, this one goes to the front.
So now we can't go on that side.
It can go in any. Yeah, do that side then. Any side matters. I don't think it matters. I can't centre it, so I'll have to just put it up to the side.
There's a little hole cut in for that, and that can go behind here.
And
Through there, alright.
Yeah, you just have to do that. Get the I can stick it on with the adhesive for now. I've ran the cable through. As you can see, it goes under there. And out this way, this is the cable. I've run it through. It's probably going to go like here, so it sits like that, something like that. This needs to be adjusted. Yeah. We're going to probably stick this on, and then my dad said he's going to cut a hole or something so this sits nicely. I don't know, but I'll record that when he does that, so we'll get back to you once we've made some progress. Got it on there. Oh, you cut a hole in there, run these wires through.
I need those now.
Lovely. Then you got to put another screw in there. Another screw in there.
I'm putting on this yet.
Oh, you got to cut a hole in that too. Don't crack it. Oh, you almost did it. If it's that easy, what's this thing made out of? Then you need to screw the other hole in so it won't fall off. Now we're putting it back on the boot. Look at the spider webs. They're all over this car. You need to clean it. Oh, the wires are through, yeah. Now we've got to figure out how to get them into the front of the car. We've put the wires through. As you can see, we've put the wires through. But now we have to figure out the wiring situation. This goes into the reverse light somehow. And this one is long enough to go all the way to the front of the car to where the screen is. But we have to figure out how we're going to get it there. And possibly extend this one to make it reach. I'd leave that one up to my dad because I'm clueless. It's been like a long time. We've done it. The camera's working. Let me unlock the car and I'll show you what we did since I didn't record it. Oh, here it is. Basically, what we did, routed it through here. This is the boot. You see this cable here? Run it through there. Run it in this roof liner. Across here. Over there. Through here. Through all the way through here. Into there. And then we ran it. You can kind of see it here. See that cable there? Oh, it's a bit dark anyway. There's a cable through here. Run it through there. This is my dash cam cable. It's broken, by the way. I need to get a new one. Run it all the way down here behind the glove box. You can take this out, and we ran it behind the whole glove box. It came, you can see here, it came out here in there, and then it went into this cable here, the middle one. Just went into there. So I'm gonna turn on the ignition and show you guys how it works. So just gonna put the ignition on, not the engine, just the ignition. Wait for the screens to come on. Gonna wait for this to connect to my phone, which it will do in a second. There we go. And then look, foot on the brake, put it into reverse. That's my sensors, ignore that beeping sound. But there we go, it's working. I need to test it and adjust it. But it works fine. That's just my sensors making that noise. But yeah, that's literally it. My dad helped me with all of it because I honestly didn't know how to route it through the roof. So my dad did all that. And his channel will be linked in the description. But yeah, that's it. Gonna hopefully make more videos. On this car in the future. But yeah, that's it.